Hello, everyone, and thank you very much for joining us for today's session, which is really about how today's EdTech startup entrepreneurs are visualizing the journey of education in 2021 and going forward. We are very glad that today we are joined by Roman Saini and Himesh from Unacademy, who are genuinely today's young entrepreneurs who are going to change and probably rewrite the way we understand the education industry and also the future of work going forward. A warm welcome to you, Rom, as you join us over here today. I would like if you can share with us some ideas about how you are visualizing education at Unacademy, and how do you feel that today's students need to be imbibing learning, and particularly skill learning, as they go forward in life. So I'm going to hand it over to both of you from here.
Yeah, so I'll start, Roman, and so talk a little bit about like what we are doing here at Unacademy. We're basically sort of trying to bring offline education to online and make it as sort of comparable as possible, and really, bring all the elements that are there in the offline learning and bring them online and make it more convenient for the learners, for the educators as well. With Unacademy today, educators can teach from their homes, learners can learn from their homes, or if they're traveling, and so on and so forth. And this brings a lot of convenience, a lot of opportunities to open up for our learners as well as educators. And that is just one part, which is the learning part. We are also sort of focusing on, becoming almost like a one-stop shop for everything related to your learning. That could be, once you have learned something, you also want to evaluate yourself. You want to sort of practice questions around it. You want to compare yourself with others, how good you are doing, where you're lacking, and so on and so forth. You want the highest quality notes on something. You want recorded content so that you can go back and quickly revise something. So we want to sort of provide all of that under just one single platform, and really elevate the learning of our learners, and making the educators reach more and more learners sitting wherever they are, basically.
Sure. Roman, you want to add something to that? You're mute, Roman.
No. Himesh has pretty much summed it up. So we want to become like a one-stop solution for everything related to education. And there are two sides of it. One is related to the learner side of it, where we want to make it very accessible, affordable, available to them, irrespective of where they live. And it should not, like, your education should not be restricted based on where you are born, or if you can't go to a big city, etc. And the other side of it is obviously educator. Not only we empower the existing educators, but we also create new educators. We have made being an educator a new profession. Like it did not exist like 10 years ago in online world. And now a lot of new people who are just passing out of like engineering colleges, medical colleges, arts, humanities, etc. They are opting to teach with Unacademy. So just to become a one-stop solution for everything related to education.
And what is the further, what are you currently working on at Unacademy? What is the ScaleX that you are now planning to bring, particularly as, we are amidst the pandemic and so many people have lost their jobs during this time, and they're looking at upskilling happening at a very fast rate for them, so that they can probably change or alter their industries or move where there are more opportunities. So how are you trying to address their needs, virtually on the feet, so to say?
Yeah, Himesh.
Yeah. So yeah, I can go first. So basically, like at Unacademy, we have always focused on, building the technology, building the products in such a way that it can sort of work almost for any category. We already have 40 plus categories, and the goal is to launch as many as possible, to scale it to almost all categories, because there are still a lot of exams that people don't even have even offline coachings to go to. People don't have online content available at all. And we want to make sure that we are there in all these categories. We also are looking at different segments of education, not just test prep, which is basically focusing on your after school learning, focusing on your careers, your uh, post sort of college learning and so on and so forth. So basically your entire lifetime's education needs should be, an academy should be able to cater to those. And that's really the goal right now. That's one of the biggest focus areas. Like, how do you sort of expand into these categories, and how do you create the best possible learning experience for your learners? And that doesn't just mean, focusing on live classes, but like every other sort of relevant study material, evaluation, and so on and so forth. Just sort of making them successful in each of these categories is really the biggest focus right now.
Sure. And, given the fact that you are thinking in such a novel way and innovating in such a big way, you also deserve to be our entrepreneurs, the new educators. So this is our cover page of the magazine, which is for July 2021. And we have Unacademy and all the founders on the cover this time for particularly our education innovators. So congratulations to both of you, as well as to Gaurav, for being part of this wonderful issue on EdTech innovators. So any word that you want to leave with the education, technology founders who are today doing so much new things, and they are innovating in such a big way on various aspects of education. So I'm sure, during your building of Unacademy, you went through several challenges, and then yet you came out of them and went to rebuild Unacademy in such a big way. So what would be your message or advice to them?
Yeah, so I think it's, first of all, thank you so much for this award. And it's a really, it feels really good to be able to sort of really serve your users so well and be a part of an industry which has such a deep impact on the youth of the country, and as well as the overall, upliftment of the entire population. And I think that that's one of the biggest things working in education. Not many people do get a chance, and we are very fortunate to sort of be in this industry, being able to make an impact, being able to affect lives of millions. And that's, I think, really motivating, and we believe we are really fortunate to be able to in that position.
Roman, anything you'll finally like to say to our viewers?
Yeah, like you had asked for like advice to the entrepreneurs who are doing something in education. I think just keep your like the two sides in mind. Like whatever you do should either like ultimately benefit the learner and the educator. Like if you have that North Star in mind, so you will automatically create a better product. You will automatically create a better experience for educators to teach and for learners to consume the knowledge. As long as your North Star is clear, like whatever product you come up with should like benefit either of these two. There are like a lot of things which can be done in education, like so many things. We are just started to like scratch the surface. That's all. Like there's still a long way to go.
Sure. Thank you very much for joining us today, Himesh. Thank you very much for joining us today, Roman. And we wish you all the very success and many more ladders to climb for you at Unacademy. And please keep on giving these sound pieces of advice to all the young entrepreneurs who are building organizations just like yourself. And going ahead, we would certainly love and look forward to seeing all the new innovations you bring in the education sector. Thank you for being with us here today.